lights off so I can go to sleep? Or am I going to walk out here and put it down and sleep for a while and then she comes out?
Guess we're going to turn the lights off.
There you go. What do you want?
You need a little bit of light.
Moonlight.
Just a little bit.
A little spotlight.
There you go.
Inspector? Aren't you supposed to be guarding this monument? Inspector! I suspect they wouldn't like it very much if they knew you were sleeping on the job. I thought Brady was a sound sleeper.
What do you think you are doing?
I was just trying to wake you up. Just knocked off my light. I was just trying to wake you up, that's all.
Wake me up? Madame, an officer of the law never sleeps on duty.
Well, what about snoring?
Snoring? Are you suggesting that I was asleep?
Yeah, you were.
Madame, you may not realize that I am a high criminal professional.
Is that so?
Yes, and you should also realize that not just anyone can do this. There's more to it than that.
Oh, really? Like what?
Well, there's not much training. You really have to be born to have this kind of skills.
Say, I noticed you don't carry a weapon. Why is that?
Oh, that's because they took it away. I mean, who needs weapons when you have hands like these? They're like steel. Ha! Oh, you don't believe me? And I'm going to demonstrate for you.
Oh, my.
There is police here.
Well, Inspector, looks like I need to be heading on home. Good night, Inspector.
Carry on.
Where'd he go?